Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to answer your calls with your voice on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can answer or reject calls hands-free with the help of Bixby. So Bixby is like a Samsung assistant, which is built into your phone, similar to Google Assistant. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the phone app. Next, tap on the three dots and then tap on settings. Now from here, find answering and ending calls, which is right here. From here, you want to go ahead and find enable read caller names aloud. So go ahead and turn this feature on. So you want to put down as always. Now you want to press home. You want to find the Bixby app. From here, you want to go ahead and tap on settings. And now here, you want to go ahead and find the option talk to Bixby without wake up. Go ahead and turn this feature on. So here, if you scroll down, you'll find all the supported commands. So for phone, for alarm, for timer. So if you want to answer a phone, you can say answer phone, reject calls. You can even set alarm. So dismiss alarm, dismiss timer, restart, snooze, and so on. So this is great when your hands are busy, like cooking or working out, or even when you're sleeping. You can even quiet your alarm. So you can snooze it, you can restart it, you can dismiss the alarm, and so on. So there you go, guys. That is how to answer calls with your voice on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.